Hello, everyone. Happy Monday. So, the long-awaited MDM workshops are going to start this week. So, the way these are going to work is each week I'll be picking a product. I'll be doing a workshop around that product. It'll be on Zoom. It'll be interactive. You'll be able to ask me questions, share experiences, best practices, how to clean some of the items, just general knowledge that is possibly not on my YouTube channel or on the website. Plus, you'll be able to interact with me, the creator of these products, one-on-one. The nice thing about the workshops, okay, so I'm going to be giving steep discounts on the product topic, okay? But here's the catch. You have to be live on these calls to get the product. They're not going to be the product code. It's not going to be in the email. It maybe may or may not be in the video, but it's only going to be good for 24 hours, okay? So I'm putting a lot of time and effort into these workshops. They're probably going to run for 6 months. I mean, I have a lot of products. This team has created a lot of stuff over the years, and now it's kind of time to get granular with each one and explain in depth a little bit more in more detail from the creator on how they work and best practices, tips, tricks, all of it, folks. You know, the speed and veracity that we release products is unprecedented. I mean, we've done a lot of product launches over the years, and we have another 5, 6, 7 product launches this year coming up alone. So there's a lot of stuff going on, and I want to bring that to the forefront and make it interactive. So the emails will probably go out on Monday or Tuesday. The first one will be this Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern time, which is New York time. Again, there'll be steep product discounts, but you're going to have to be live to get the code, and they're only good for 24 hours, folks. So it's a little bit of incentive to show up instead of just watching, the rerun. I want people to interact with these. If I get interaction, I'll continue to do them. If I don't, then I'm not going to do them. But I think with the amount of product that we have in the world, that these will be pretty cool. So again, that's it. Thanks, folks. Have a beautiful day.